Hello adventurers! Today I have something special here. It is this little old tin that actually contained shortbread. Scottish shortbread. Yeah. I came across this tin whilst cleaning up and I thought, it's too good to throw it away, and so I have turned it into a survival kit. And now let's start this video the right way. This is a little challenge I have thought out. I want to challenge you, all of you who watch this video, to make a survival kit with only the items you have around at your home. You have only 1 day time and buying anything is not allowed. So let's open it up and let me show you what I have put in here. A little list of contents. That's one of my specialties. I always put a list of contents in all of my survival kits. And yeah. So let's start out with the functions. First of all, you can use this lid here as a pen or a bowl. And now here, a washing cloth. Personal hygiene, very important. The next item, toilet paper. It's a short-term survival kit, and to have this is comfortable, and if it runs out, you still have this here. So, the next item, a pencil with a razor on the back, some paper, paper clip, piece of cardboard, and an X-Acto knife with a fresh blade in it. Not the most durable knife, but I have done lots of things with those knives, and if you know how to use them, they work great. Band-aids, the high quality ones with the metal anti-stick shielding. It actually shines through them. Yeah. Fishing hooks and fishing line, just in case you get bored and wanna fish. A little self-made roll of duct tape. I show in another video how to make those. This is a emergency light. You just pull the tab out and it comes on. The only downside is you have to take the battery out and push the tab back in if you wanna switch it off, but for a light that's only in emergencies, that's great. That's great, and it stands up, so you don't have to hold it. So, next item, a piece of rope. I didn't have any fancy rope around, so I took what I had. A wire, strong wire, not especially for snares, but also for repairs and anything. 2 reusable zip ties. I prefer the reusable ones. I don't wanna handcuff someone. This is just for repairs, and so you can take them off. Saves money and makes them reusable. A beautiful pink toothbrush. 2 hygiene wipes. A proper COVID mask. Not one of those medical cheap ones. That's a good one. A space blanket. They are very useful. So you have here your shelter element. Pain relievant. Very strong. A plastic bag. Folded and taped shut. Dextrose for your power boost. Here we have a little mirror, little glass mirror for signaling, and of course, if you have a splinter in your eye or something like this, a lonely single safety pin. And in here, an old-fashioned piece of cotton and a lighter, 2 paper wrapped candles, and a stick of hot glue. That's a flat one, so it fits in perfectly. And yeah, of course, the container itself, being not perfectly watertight as those tins usually aren't, but it will be enough to put a piece of water on the fire and boil it, or store something you don't want the critters to go to. And so yeah, this is my little do-it-yourself one-day survival kit. It's actually a lot of items that fit in here. Let's put them all together. And yeah, a lot of stuff that will help you to survive. So, this challenge is actually quite easy, I think, and especially for the younger viewers. So, you can't start young enough. And if you have made your own video, put the link down below, I will pin it on, and share this video. And don't forget, have fun and stay alive. Because if you don't have fun, being alive doesn't make any sense. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. This video was sponsored by New World Order. Call 666NWO and get brainwashed today. And look at this. By repacking it, I have managed to free up so much space that I could fit easily something else on top of here, like firearm. Yeah. And to seal it all up, I will just wrap some tape around it. It's a little cheap survival kit, perfectly to put in another plastic bag and bury somewhere in the woods, so you know where it is if you need it, and if you maybe not be able to reach your house anymore. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. What should I add? Yet now, as I have space available. Yeah. And of course, there are better survival kits. I have nothing water purifying style in here. That's just because in the area where I live, there are lots of natural springs, and so I don't need to purify water or carry water. There's enough opportunities to drink. Yeah. But if you live in a different environment, of course, adapt it to your needs. Yeah. So, and now it's up to you to make your own survival kit and stay alive. Because life is too much fun to end it early, or to end it at all. So, just simply stay alive.